guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making mini buns. For this we will be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 egg at room temperature, we don't want it to be cold, 1 cup of lukewarm milk. It should be hot enough that you can dip your finger into it, and then 3 tablespoons of melted butter and just some sesame seeds to sprinkle on. This recipe is enough for approximately 6 buns. Okay, we're gonna start by mixing in all of our dry ingredients and we're gonna sift it. So there goes our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. We're just going to this all-purpose flour is also sifted. I'm just going to get my whisk. And we're gonna whisk this all. Okay. Now we're gonna add in our wet ingredient. That includes our egg and our melted butter. We're gonna hold on to the milk for later because we're going to be adding it later. Now we're gonna put this in our mixer. I'm using a K-hook because it won't mix this properly. Okay, I'm just gonna let this well mix and then we're gonna add in our milk. The dough coming together, we're going to slowly add in our milk. So I put in half a cup right now, and you can see the dough is starting to come together. I'm going to add in the milk until all the dough comes to form one big dough. Once this has come together, I'm approximately going to add around 1 tablespoon more of milk to make it soft. There. And we're just gonna let the milk mix in with the dough. This is how we want our dough to be. We want it to be like cake batter, but a little bit doughy. And you can see that some of it is starting together. I'm just going to put some flour on my hand so the dough doesn't stick. And I'm going to take this out. So once the dough is out, we're just going to scrape the edges. Okay, we're gonna sprinkle some flour. Okay. Over here you can see that I've used around 3/4 cup of milk for making this dough and 1/4 cup is left, and this dough is really soft right now. Okay. And I'm just gonna knead this for around 3 to 4 minutes until this comes into a ball shape. See, this dough is coming into a ball shape. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this long, and okay, we're just gonna slap it onto the surface. Okay, then we're just going to extend it, slap again. Okay, then what are we going to do? We're just going to push it down. We're going to take the sides and fold them inwards. Then we're just going to roll this. And then you just roll it and form this beautiful ball. There. We're going to take some oil, and in the same pan, in the same bowl we put the dough in, we're going to put some oil. Just spread it out using our hands. Okay. I'm gonna put some of the oil on top of the dough as well. And we're gonna put this in here to proof. And we're gonna wait for this beautiful dough to rise. I'm gonna put a cotton cloth on top of this and then put it outside to proof, and that'll take around 1 hour. So I'll see you in an hour. I have converted the dough into this bowl because I need the bowl to make the wheat bread. Okay. So, as you can see, it has rised as well. Ooh. You know that the dough has properly rised when you can start to see these holes coming. Okay, I'm using this 1/8 cup measuring cup, and I'm just going to take this out first. It's so soft right now. Okay. And I'm just going to lightly just put some flour on the surface. And I'm going to knead this. Ooh, it's so soft. Okay, now I'm going to use this 1/8 cup measuring cup, and I'm just going to like take some. I'm going to just put these in. You just want to take it the shape of the container. And then you're just gonna make these balls, and I'm gonna do this with the rest of my dough. These mini buns can be used. The recipe can be used to make dinner rolls and bigger buns if you want. But we're making mini buns, so I'm just gonna roll this and the rest of the dough, and I'll see you when all of them are rolled. Approximately, they take this shape, and I'm just going to put them over here. I'm using the active fryer, but you can make this in a normal oven or in a home oven. It's just that this is very much safe, and it's easier to use for me. I've lined it with parchment paper, and I'm just gonna do this with the rest of my dough. I roll all of these out, and at the beginning of the video I said that we'll be making 6 buns because but I really wanted to show you how mini buns look like. So I have made 15 buns. I have put them very close to each other because when we bake these, I want it to be like pull apart. So I'm gonna rest this for 15 minutes in the sunlight, and I'll see you then. The buns have been in the warm water heater in the oven for around 15 minutes now, and I'm going to take it out. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, they have stuck like we wanted to, and they literally look like pull-apart monkey bread. Okay. Now I'm going to be brushing the egg on top of this. Okay. I'm just going to lightly brush all of them. Okay, there, and there goes the last one. Okay, now that all of these are brushed, we are going to be putting our sesame seeds on top. We just want to sprinkle them on. I sprinkled all of them with sesame seeds, and now we're going to be putting them in our active fryer. You can see in my previous videos even that the oven was off. You do not want the oven to be on when you're proofing these. And okay. So I have this on the cake setting, so it's 40 minutes on medium-low heat, and that starts now. I'll see you in 40 minutes. That is sitting there. We're gonna take our buns out. Yum! Ooh, God, it's hot. Ooh, yum! Pull apart like you wanted. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. We're somehow going to take these out and put them here. So I'll see you when these are out. They're done. I've taken them out of the parchment paper. I'm going to let these cool for around 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll see you then.
Today I had a rosa, and there's like 10 minutes till iftari. Yeah. So I'm craving.
Yeah. So I'm going to let this cool for around 5 minutes, and then I'll see you. Bye. I'm going to be cutting these, so I'm just going to cut each one out.
By the way, everybody, happy Ramadan.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be making this one. Oh God, it's hot. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. This one's done. I'm just gonna open this. Ooh, steam. Okie dokie. Some of our burger sauce there. It's a burger sauce, it's just a mix of mayonnaise and chili sauce. Okay, and then some mayonnaise on the other side. Just to give it that softness we want. And then this is the top. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, our chicken patty. I'll put the link in the description below for the recipe. And a slice of cheese, which I will have to be cutting in half because this is very big. That's out. That can go right there. Okay. This can go at the bottom. That's done. And iftari just started. So bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.